Hello everyone, my name is Manish. In this video, I will discuss Essay 2 Exam 2023-24 Class 9 Subject Science Paper 2 Biological Science NS question paper with key discuss. This question paper download to Telegram. Link on description. Follow it, like and share and comment on video. Let's start the video. Name the organelles that have their own genetic material. What is the answer? Answer described below of the question. Identify the tissue shown in the given diagram. Which of the following tissue had dash cell, parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, epithelial tissue? Which one is right? Sclerenchyma is the right answer. Study the following information and answer the question. Serial number, type of fish, example surface feeder katla, mid zone feeder rohu, bottom feeder mrigal, common carpus. How the combination of these fish species is a single fish pond in a beneficial? What will happen to the cell if plasma membrane ruptures? What measure will you suggest to farmer cropping in low rainfall drought area? Seventh question. Why blood is called as fluid connective tissues? What will happen to the life of a cell if there were no Golgi apparatus? Study the following chart. Name source of nutrition: air, carbon, oxygen, water, hydrogen, oxygen, soil, macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, micronutrients, iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper, chlorine. Which nutrients are available in water? Give example for micronutrients. If you have a chance to meet a cell biologist, what doubt do you clarify about the cell organelles? How can you differentiate the manure from the chemical fertilizers? Draw any one of the following diagram and label it now cells and plant cell. Now answer the question of the table. Which tissue seen in the hydrophytes? Which simple tissue is made up of dead cell? What is the function of phloem? Which tissue are present in vascular bundles? Differentiate. Describe different types of muscular present in animal. Suggest some preventive measure for the disease of poultry birds. 16th. Why are xylem and phloem are called complex tissue? How they differentiate each other? What are the desirable character to bee varieties suitable for honey production? Write down the procedure you follow in school laboratory to observe the chick cell. How can you prove osmosis using potato peels? Let's start to answer. First answer, the organelle that have own genetic material are mitochondria, chloroplast. Second answer is a connective tissue. Third answer is the tissue that cell is sclerenchyma. Fourth answer, combining surface feeder, middle zone feeder and bottom feeder fish, single fish pod ensure efficient utilization of the different ecological niche, leading to better nutrient cycling and balanced ecosystem. If the plasma membrane ruptures, the cell will lose its structure and integrity, leading to the cell death. In low rainfall drought areas, farmer can implement measures like drip irrigation, mulching, using drought resistance crop varieties and adopting water saving farming technologies. Blood is called a fluid connective tissue because it flows freely throughout the body, connecting various tissues and organs while transporting nutrients, oxygen and hormones and waste product. Without the Golgi apparatus, the cell would have difficulty process and packaging protein and lipid for secretion, leading in impaired cell function and possibly cell death. Ninth question, nutrients soluble in water are hydrogen and oxygen. Example of micronutrients: iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper and chlorine. If I meet cell biologist, I would clarify doubt about the structure, function and interreaction of the different cell organelles, their roles in cellular process like metabolism, protein synthesis, energy production and their significance in death disease. Manure are organic material derived from plant and animal waste, while chemical fertilizer are synthetic substance containing specific nutrients. Manure improves soil structure and fertility gradually, will chemical fertilizers providing nutrients immediately but may harm soil health in the long term over issued. This is a nerve cells diagram: dendrite, nucleus, cell body, soma, axon, hillock, myelin sheath, node of the Ranvier, Schwann axon terminal. And 13th, the tissue seen in hydrophytic parenchyma, the simple tissues made of sclerenchyma. The function of phloem is transport organic nutrients like sugar from leaves to the other part of the plant. The tissue present in vascular bundles are xylem and phloem. 14. The different types of muscles present in animals include skeletal muscles attached to the bones for the movement, smooth muscles found organs and blood vessel for involuntary movement, cardiac muscles found in the heart for pumping blood. Preventing measure for disease of poultry bird include maintaining proper hygiene, providing clean water and feed, vaccinating against common disease, controlling pests and the parasites, isolating sick birds. 16th, xylem and phloem are called complex tissue because they compose of multi-cell type of performing different function. Xylem transport water and minerals upward, while phloem transport organic nutrients throughout the plant. Desirable character of the bee variety suitable for honey production include high honey yield, docile behavior, disease resistance, adaptability to local environment condition. 17th, to procedure of the seal check chick cell in the school laboratory involves swabbing the inside of the chick with a cotton swab, transforming the cell onto a glass, staining with a dye like methylene blue and observing under a microscope. Osmosis can be proven using potato peel by placing potato slice in a solution of different concentration and observing change in the size and texture of the potato slice over time due to water movement across the membrane. Thanks to watch this PDF. Download to Telegram, link on description. Follow it, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you.